All right, so I've been having a huge problem with getting the buckle, strap, bungee collars for the e-collars on teeny tiny dogs like Cake Bear, right? So this one, it doesn't have the buckle on it. It's just a bungee one. Even Mio, right? Doesn't work. Now, there's a way to cut this out, to cut the bungee and then retie it with hog tie. That's what holds it together. But even then, it still doesn't fit even Mio, right? So I finally found a company. They're on K9VitaminShop.com, and they'll customize these small bungee straps for you that you can use on your e-collars. So all you got to do is ask them, can you customize for a neck 12, 10, 8 inches, whatever, and they'll do it for you. And they have all different kinds of colors, so you can color code it according to your transmitter or whatever. And it's better than, this is harder to do, to reduce the size of this bungee. More labor intensive, and it's not as effective because it's still on Mio. It's not good. Now, here, buddy, sit. Come here, you little freak. So I'll show you it real quick. Demonstrating the latest in little dog torture wear is Mio, also known as Thurman Vermin, the vermin hunter. Alright, just like this. Whoop! Yay! Now he's ready to be zapped. You want him zapped? Yes, you do. Because you're very, very bad. So you can do that with little guy. Cake Bear, where are you? Get over here. Get over here, you freak. Come here. Cake Bear's got a pink one on now. Because he's supporting Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and because he's so masculine that he can pull that shit off. Right, buddy? It's not Labor Day yet, though, pal. All right, ready? Look, they even work on a little freak this size. Come here. Come here, you scumbag. You cute little fucking scumbag. Hey. Nice snug fit. You moving. Moving to Cake Bear. Woo. All right, so I'll provide a link underneath, but it's a great product. Most people don't care, but for me, it's a big deal because I'm working with small dogs all the time, and if it's not snug enough, you're not going to get good contact. And if you don't get good contact, you might as well not be using the e-collar. So these things are lifesavers for me. And small dogs, they need them just the same as large dogs do. It's for off-leash work to get them more freedom. So anyway, it's a really good product. I'll put the link below, but think of the SureFit e-collar bungee straps, right? They still have that bungee property, and they're real quick, just like the buckle. Okay. By the way, they're good, like a dog like Marvin, who will take I still gotta go slow with him, like getting collars on and stuff. He's really bananas. This way, you can kind of whoop. Your hands are a little bit less exposed. You can kind of fish it over them. So if you have a dog like that, they're rare, but they're out there. It can be helpful with that too. All right. So SureFit e-collar bungee strap. You can get them on K9VitaminShop.com. Which, by the way, one of my favorite online retailers for dog training stuff. They're really phenomenal outlet. Them and BridgeportEquipment.com. Probably my two favorite. All right, that's it.